密苏里州田野不远处就能看到巨大龙卷风笼罩天空，席卷而来。民众开车经过，记录下形成瞬间。美国中西部与东北部自11号面临强烈风暴威胁，喷射气流大幅南压并缓慢东移，带来大型冰雹、破坏性强风及龙卷风。不少地方遭侵袭后树木倒塌，明尼苏达甚至有火车被吹出轨。威斯康星州持续下着大雨，风暴吹倒的树躺在路中央。帕文谢警方拉起封锁线，当局派遣人员清理倒下的路树。这次恶劣天气影响全美超过1.35亿人，威斯康星数千居民家里停电，电力供应受到影响，公寓有屋顶直接被掀翻。
There was residents in the main building that the roof came off. There was residents in on the north side where the building damages. There was a report of a young female that did get hit by a brick with no injury.
Over there! Oh my God! Look at over there! Eric, did you look over there?
来到威斯康星霍里康市中心，还有建筑在暴风吹散下，屋顶严重受损，外墙剥落，砸坏窗户。在比佛丹，一座标志性谷仓被摧毁。
And I hope that we can get back on the same place that we were.
随着低压系统北移，冷风横扫美国上中西部地区，加拿大也受灾。龙卷风伴随闪电，萨斯喀彻温省东南部传出龙卷风报告。街灯狂闪，强风暴雨袭击曼尼托巴省南部，造成超过2.5万户用户停电。气象预报指出，冷风通过后，风暴才会逐渐减弱，因此可能还会陆续传出更多灾情。TVBS 综合报道。
想看最完整的新闻内容，记得下载 TVBS 新闻网 APP。